Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever found yourself needing to switch between different Google accounts on your Play Store? This is super useful for managing different app libraries, redeeming gift cards on specific accounts, or even keeping your downloads organized. So, let's jump right into the steps. First, open your Play Store app on your device. In the top right corner of the Play Store interface, locate and tap your profile picture. A menu will appear displaying your current account. Tap the downward pointing arrow next to your email address. This reveals a list of all Google accounts linked to your device. Simply tap the account you wish to activate. The Play Store will refresh and your new profile picture will confirm the account switch. All subsequent app activities will be associated with this selected account. If your desired account is not listed, it must first be added to your device's primary Google account settings. This concludes our guide on switching accounts in the Google Play Store. If this guide was helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more practical tech tutorials. Thank you for watching.